In this guide, I am going to show you how to implement RevenueCat in SwiftUI. Firstly, you need to create an account at RevenueCat, then set up your in-app products in App Store Connect. RevenueCat can be installed via either Cocoa Pods or SPM, but we'll use SPM here. Open Xcode and go to your project's Xcode workplace. Go to File, Add Packages, then enter the RevenueCat repository URL for Swift Package Manager, then click Add Package. Now import RevenueCat at the top of your SwiftUI view or app file, then import the RevenueCat framework. Configure RevenueCat in the app delegate. RevenueCat needs to be configured as early as possible when the app launches. In your app struct of the app delegate, add the following code to configure RevenueCat. Define products. You'll want to fetch the available products that are configured in your RevenueCat dashboard. For example, this. You need to display products in SwiftUI view. After fetching the offerings, you can display them in the list of other UI components. Finally, before submitting your app to the App Store, test your in-app purchases in the Sandbox environment. Use the Sandbox Tester account in App Store Connect and make sure to test all purchases flows, including subscription, purchase, and restore in your app.